Problem 7. If the sequence AN is AP with a non-zero common difference, means D is not equal to 0. Sum of all terms between 4th and 14th is 77. Find the number of terms of the sequence that is equal to 7. Which term is equal to 7? We have to find out. The solution for this solution for this. Now, the number of terms, sum of the all terms between 4th, I mean here A14, sorry, A4, A4 plus A5 plus etc. plus A14th term is equal to 77. We have to find out the which term of the sequence is equal to 7. We have to find out. Now we can see the left hand side LHS is A4 plus A5 plus so on so forth A14 equal to, how many terms are here? There are 11 terms. The sum is equal to 11 by 2 into the first term in the sum is A4 plus A14. And now, therefore, from this one, we have 11 by 2 into A4 plus A14 is equal to 77. And this implies 11 by 2 into A4 equal to, what is that? A4 equal to A1, A4 equal to A1 plus 3D plus A14 equal to A1 plus 13D is equal to 77. This I can write down this as 11 by 2 into 2A1 plus 3D plus 13D equal to 16D is equal to 77. And this implies 11 into 2 by 2. I am taking 2 outside here, and that will give A1 plus 14D, sorry, 8D is equal to 77. Now this 2 is getting cancelled. This implies 11 into A1 plus 8D is equal to 11 into 7. And this implies this 11 is getting cancelled both sides. A1 plus 8D is equal to 7. This implies this A1 plus 8D is A1 plus 8D is equal to A9, is it not? Ninth term can be written as A1 plus 8D by the formula AN is equal to A1 plus N minus 1 into D, that is 77. And this implies A ninth is 7, and hence a ninth term equal to 7 only. Here is the solution for this problem.